welcome to my channel. I am at the Bodycraft academy today and I'm here for the hair highlight. The good part is, and bad part also is, that I have no clue what hair color or hair highlight they're going to give me today. All I know is that they're going to use something in the shade of red, brown and blonde, and I am very nervous and excited at the same time. So let's see how it goes. My hair currently looks like this, if it makes sense. So and let's see how it goes after the hair highlight. So let's get started.